Along. Along.
From one part of a road, river, etc. to another.
A romantic walk along the beach or river.
Little. Little.
Little. Little.
Slightly, slightly.
I was a little bit worried by what she said. We'll wait a little bit and then I'll phone them.
Until. Until.
Till.
As far as.
Carry on until the traffic lights and then turn right.
Dirty. Dirty.
Dirty. Dirty.
Dirt. Dirty.
Not clean.
Her face was dirty and tear-stained. Itself. Itself.
The reflexive form of the pronoun it.
The cat licked itself all over.
Grammar. Grammar.
Grammar. Grammatical.
The way words combine and change their form and position in a sentence, or the rules or study of this.
This course will cover basic English grammar. Bright. Bright. Bright, brightly.
Strong in color.
Leslie always wears bright colors. He said hello and I felt my face turn bright red. Shop assistant. Shop assistant.
Someone whose job is selling things in a shop.
She works as a shop assistant.
Blue. Blue.
Blue. Blue.
Blue. Blue.
A blue color.
There's a lot of blue in this room.
Wood. Wood.
Wood. Wood. Wood. Wooden.
The hard material that trees are made of.
He gathered some wood to build a fire. The box is made of wood and it's very heavy.
An area of land covered with a thick growth of trees.
An oak wood. We went for a walk in the woods after lunch.
Fridge. Fridge.
Fridge. Fridge.
A large container that uses electricity to keep food cold.
Don't forget to put the milk back in the fridge.
Queen. Queen.
A woman who rules a country because she was born into a royal family, or a woman who is married to a king.
Queen Victoria. The Queen is meeting the Prime Minister today. Note. 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 Notable. Notably.
Information that is written down to help you study, or to help you remember something you are going to write about.
The journalist took notes throughout the interview. I studied European literature, and I still have all my notes. Sitting room. Sitting room.
The room in a house where people sit to relax and, for example, watch television.
We usually eat in the sitting room. Repair. Repair.
To fix something that is broken or damaged.
They're repairing the holes in the road at last. I must get my bike repaired. The garage said the car was so old it wasn't worth repairing.